Hi everyone. Welcome to Harmony in English, where learning English is an adventure. We'll dive into captivating stories, uncover hidden meanings behind new words and phrases, and test your understanding with fun quizzes. Let's learn together. All right, let's paint a picture of a simple day. The sun peeked through the curtains. Rise and shine. A little girl named Lily woke up. She stretched her arms. Time to get up, she said to her teddy bear. Lily hopped out of bed and put on her favorite yellow socks. Bright as a button, she went to the kitchen. Her mom was making pancakes. The kitchen smelled yummy. Good morning, sleepyhead, her mom said with a smile. Lily ate her pancakes. Yum, yum, in my tum. Then she went outside to play. The sun was warm. The birds were singing. Happy as a lark. She found her friend, Tom, in the park. They played on the swings. Up and down, round and round. They chased each other and laughed. Let's build a sandcastle, Tom said. They dug and built a big sandcastle. Busy as bees. When it was time for lunch, Lily went home. Her dad made sandwiches. Simple but good. After lunch, Lily read a book. She loved stories about animals. Lost in a story. In the afternoon, she helped her mom water the flowers. Gentle as a breeze. The flowers were colorful and pretty. When the sun started to go down, Lily took a bath. Clean as a whistle. She put on her pajamas. Her dad read her a bedtime story. Snug as a bug in a rug. Lily closed her eyes and fell asleep. Here are 9 important words and phrases from the Simple Day in Life story along with their meanings. Rise and shine. Meaning, a phrase used to tell someone to wake up and start their day, often used in a cheerful way. Bright as a button. Meaning, very cheerful, lively, or intelligent. Happy as a lark. Meaning, extremely happy and carefree. A lark is a type of bird known for its cheerful singing. Up and down, round and round. Meaning, describes the motion of swinging or any circular or back and forth motion. Busy as bees. Meaning, very active and working hard. Lost in a story. Meaning, fully immersed or absorbed in a book, paying complete attention to the story. Snug as a bug in a rug. Meaning, very comfortable and cozy. Let's see how well you know these words. Time for some question and answer practice. Every morning, my dad says, before making breakfast. Her eyes were, when she saw the surprise party. Walking through the flower field, she felt. The Ferris wheel went at the amusement park. The team was completing the project before the deadline. He was completely that he didn't notice anyone entering the room. The feather felt as it floated to the ground. Wrapped in his warm blanket by the fireplace, he felt. Here's the answers. Every morning, my dad says, rise and shine before making breakfast. Her eyes were bright as a button when she saw the surprise party. Walking through the flower field, she felt happy as a lark. The Ferris wheel went up and down, round and round at the amusement park. The team was busy as bees completing the project before the deadline. He was completely lost in a story that he didn't notice anyone entering the room. The feather felt gentle as a breeze as it floated to the ground. Wrapped in his warm blanket by the fireplace, he felt snug as a bug in a rug. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and let me know if you want to learn more.